Hi guys, it's Craig at MobileTechTalk, and this one's going to be interesting. So I'm going to be very careful not to break this stand, because if I drop it, then it could break it. This is the Nokia 800 Tough. So everything you've ever heard about Nokia devices surviving the apocalypse is absolutely true, and the Nokia 800 Tough is probably the latest in that. So it comes with an IP68 rating, so you can pretty much throw whatever you want at it. Dustproof, waterproof, and it's drop protected because it's got this hardened shell on it. As you can see, this is the camo colour, which I certainly would go for if it was my device. You can see that the housing for the camera is actually covered in metal as well, so there's no breaking this thing at all. It comes with Google Assistant, just like the flip phone. It comes with WhatsApp and Facebook built in as well. It comes with up to 43 days of standby time as well. So if you're out there in the wilderness kind of hunting whatever you want to hunt, and for whatever reason you haven't got a charger, you've not got a hotel, you just literally want to kind of wild camp, then this is the sort of device you want to have with you. The fact that it comes with Google Assistant, the fact that it's also 4G, I believe this can also act as a Wi-Fi hotspot as well. It comes in a white and a black, a white and a black, I think, as well as the camo colour. It also comes with this kind of strange little lanyard loop at the bottom, and what it was kind of basically saying that you could use it for is kind of a carabiner to attach to your, like yourself or your backpack. So this really is for somebody who's kind of going to be outdoors and really doesn't have any place for a flagship device on their person. Maybe you're going to be going through some rapids or something like that, but whatever it is, this is an active person's phone, and you can just drop it and not worry about it. So this is just a quick look at the Nokia 800 Tough. Thanks to HMD Global for the press conference, and this is Craig from MobileTechTalk. I'm going to go and drop this a few more times over there.